Fort Worth, located in north-central Texas, has a rich culture, deep-rooted traditions, and a fascinating history. Here are some key aspects of Fort Worth's culture, traditions, and history. 1. Cowboy culture. Fort Worth is often referred to as the city of cowboys and culture. 1. Its history is deeply intertwined with the cattle industry and the Old West. 1. Fort Worth was a major stop on the Chisholm Trail, where cattle were driven to railheads for transport. 1. The city continues to celebrate its cowboy heritage through events like the Fort Worth Stock Show and Rodeo. 2. Stockyards National Historic District. The Stockyards National Historic District is a popular destination that preserves the city's cowboy culture. 2. Visitors can experience the Old West through cattle drives, rodeos, Western-themed shops, and the world's only twice-daily cattle drive. 3. Cultural District. Fort Worth's Cultural District is home to several world-class museums and art institutions. 3. This includes the Kimbell Art Museum, the Modern Art Museum of Fort Worth, the Amon Carter Museum of American Art, and the Fort Worth Museum of Science and History. 3. The district also hosts the annual Mayfest, a popular outdoor arts and music festival. 4. Sundance Square. Sundance Square is the vibrant downtown area of Fort Worth, known for its lively entertainment, dining, and shopping scene. 4. It offers a mix of historic buildings, theaters, music venues, and restaurants, making it a popular gathering place for locals and visitors alike. 5. Fort Worth Stockyards. The Fort Worth Stockyards played a crucial role in the city's history as a center for the cattle industry. 5. Today, it serves as a tourist attraction and entertainment district. 5. Visitors can experience authentic Western heritage, watch rodeos, visit Western-themed shops, and enjoy live music and Texas-style cuisine. 6. Historic architecture. Fort Worth showcases a variety of architectural styles, ranging from Victorian-era homes in the Fairmount Historic District to Art Deco buildings downtown. 6. The Stockyards and downtown areas are particularly rich in historic architecture. 7. Military heritage. Fort Worth has a strong military heritage, with several military installations and defense industries in the area. 7. The Naval Air Station Joint Reserve Base Fort Worth and the Lockheed Martin Aeronautics Company are significant contributors to the city's economy. 8. Fort Worth Symphony Orchestra. The Fort Worth Symphony Orchestra is a renowned cultural institution that performs a wide range of classical and contemporary music. 8. It offers a full season of concerts and collaborates with other arts organizations in the city. 9. Western heritage and rodeos. Fort Worth embraces its Western heritage through events like the Fort Worth Stock Show and Rodeo, the National Day of the American Cowboy, and the Red Steagle Cowboy Gathering and Western Swing Festival. 9. These events showcase traditional rodeo competitions, Western music, and cowboy culture. 10. Aviation history. Fort Worth has a notable aviation history, with aircraft manufacturing and aviation-related industries. 10. The city is home to the Vintage Flying Museum and the Fort Worth Aviation Museum, where visitors can explore historical aircraft and learn about the city's aviation contributions. The people of Fort Worth, like any other city, display a range of behaviors and characteristics shaped by various factors such as culture, environment, and individual personalities. While it's important to recognize that people's behaviors can vary widely, here are some general observations about the people and their behavior in Fort Worth. 1. Friendly and welcoming. Fort Worth residents are often known for their warm and friendly demeanor. 1. People in the city tend to be welcoming and open to engaging in conversation with strangers, fostering a sense of community and hospitality. 2. Politeness and Southern charm. Fort Worth is located in the southern part of the United States, and many residents embrace the traditional Southern charm and politeness. 2. This can be observed in their manners, use of sir and ma'am, and a general respect for others. 3. Cowboy and Western influence. Fort Worth's cowboy culture has influenced the behavior and attitudes of its residents. 3. Many people in the city appreciate and uphold Western values such as hard work, independence, and a love for the outdoors. 4. Pride in Texan identity. Texans, including Fort Worth residents, often exhibit a strong sense of pride in their Texan identity. 4. They may express this pride through their clothing, regional accents, and support for local sports teams. 5. Supportive and community-oriented. Fort Worth has a strong sense of community, and its residents are often supportive of local businesses, events, and causes. 5. They frequently engage in community activities, volunteer work, and contribute to the betterment of their neighborhoods. 6. Appreciation for arts and culture. Fort Worth's cultural district and vibrant arts scene have cultivated an appreciation for arts and culture among its residents. 6. Many people in Fort Worth actively participate in or support various artistic endeavors, including music, theater, visual arts, and festivals. 7. Love for outdoor activities.